Welcome children. I am your Murali Manohar sir from Vishwamanava Sanskritika ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. From this class we will be learning the first lesson, perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. Mathematics class for 4th standard. In this class we will learn only about perimeter. Today let us learn how to find the perimeter of a polygon. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around, metron means measure. Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, the formula to find perimeter of a closed figure is perimeter equals to sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. Now we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygon. Triangle, rectangle, square, using formulas. Now we will find the perimeter of triangle. The formula to find the perimeter of a triangle is perimeter of a triangle is sum of the lengths of three sides, which means that to find the perimeter we should add all the three sides of the triangle. Let us find it out. We will solve step by step. In the first step, we should find all the sides which the figure has and the measurement of that side. Here we have a triangle which has three sides. Now we will write the name of the side and its value. They are AB equals to 3 cm, BC equals to 5 cm, CA equals to 4 cm. Now we will write the name of all the sides. They are AB plus BC plus CA. Next we should add the measurements of the sides which we have written above. They are 3 cm, 5 cm plus 4 cm. Now we will add these numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 4 equal to 12. We got the answer as 12, which means that the perimeter of this triangle ABC equals to 12 cm. Now we will find the perimeter of a rectangle. We can find the perimeter of a rectangle by using its formula. First we will find out its formula. Yes, we know clearly here to find the perimeter of a shape, we should add all the sides of a shape. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In this figure, we have 2L and 2B, which means 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Now we will go step by step. Perimeter equals to length plus breadth plus breadth. Now we will consider length as L and breadth as B. Here we got 2 length and 2 breadth, which can be written as P equals to 2L plus 2B. 2 is common in both, so we will write it only one time. Finally, we got the formula as 2 into L plus B. This is the formula to find the perimeter of any rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. As we got the formula, we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. First should the formula, which is perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Then we should find out the length, breadth and breadth. So in this picture, the length is 9 cm and the breadth is 7 cm. Now we will solve it according to the formula. The formula is perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. Now we should write the value of L and B in its place. L equals to 9 and B equals to 7. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into 9 plus 7. Now we should write the value of 9 plus 7 in its place. 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. So we will write 2 multiplied by 16. Now we should multiply it. 2 multiplied by 16 equals to 32. So the answer is 32 centimeter. It means that the perimeter of the rectangle is 32 centimeter. Now we will learn the formula to find the perimeter of a square. We can find the perimeter of a square by using its formula. First we will find its formula. As we know earlier, to find the perimeter, we should add the sides of the shape. In a square, all the sides are equal. So, we will get 4 sides, which can be written as side plus side plus side plus side. Now, we will write the first step as perimeter equals to side plus side plus side plus side, which can be written as 4s. 4s means length of a side. Now got the formula to find the perimeter of a square. The formula is perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. Yes, we got the formula. Now we will find the perimeter of this square. First we should write the formula, which is perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side, where the side is 12 centimeter. Now we should multiply that side by 4. Yes, I told you the side is 12 centimeter. So we will multiply 4 by 12. 4 multiplied by 12 is equals to 48. So we will write it as 48 centimeter. The perimeter of this square is 48 centimeter. See this, children. Still now we solved the sum using formulas, but there are also some other shapes whose perimeter cannot be found the formula. Then we have only one way to find the perimeter. You know what it is? Yes, is by adding the all sides. In this figure, there are 5 sides. They are EF, FG, GH, HI, IE. Now, let us find the measurement of these sides. The measurement is EF equals to 3 centimeter, FG equals to 5 centimeter, GH equals to 7 centimeter, HI equals to 5 centimeter, and IE equals to 4 centimeter. To find the perimeter, should add the sides. So the first step is this: the perimeter is equals to EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IE is equals to 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter 5 plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equals to 24 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of the given figure is 24 centimeter. Children, which figure is this? Yes, it is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. We don't have any formula to find the perimeter of a hexagon. So, to get the perimeter, we will add all the sides. Those 6 sides are PQ, QR, RS, ST, TU, UP. Now, let us find the measurement of these sides. The measurement is PQ equals to 4 centimeter, QR equals to 2 centimeter, RS equals to 2 centimeter, ST equals to 4 centimeter, TU equals to 3 centimeter, and UP equals to 3 centimeter. To find the perimeter, we should add all the sides. So the first step is perimeter equals to PQ plus QR plus RS plus ST plus TU plus UP is equals to 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equals to 18 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of the given figure is 18 centimeter. Do this homework, children. Measure the length and breadth of your textbook and mobile phone and find their perimeter. Thank you, children.